आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो, this is our booth, gonna be our booth for the next 3 days. So today is day 1, but it's gonna be more of a setup session and artists get together. So we're gonna set up this whole booth and I'm gonna virtually show you how we are gonna do this process and the whole convention around me. So hope you guys are very excited and we are excited to have a bash. So let's start. From Indore is here, Mr. Gauri Shankar Mistry and his team. सो गाइस फाइनली हमारा जो स्टूडियो सेटअप है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है एंड मेरा पीछे आप देख रहे हो कि जो जगमग जो दिख रहा है वो है हमारा प्यारा सा स्टूडियो फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 days एंड माय टीम मेंबर्स दारा, अक्षय, इनके हेल्प के बगैर ये पूरा खड़ा नहीं हो सकता था। तो हमारा एक टीम वर्क था ये पूरा क्रिएटिव करने में एंड कैसा लग रहा है आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना। सो टुडे इज़ 12th एंड इट इज़ द फर्स्ट डे, so we have just started with the whole setup and everything. So tomorrow the whole convention is going to start and we are going to do live tattoos, so stay tuned. I have a question.
Yes.
Which culture started the Prince Albert piercing?
Prince Albert piercing, there is history.
And why?
Sorry?
And why? Why did they start
Oh,
it?
is that Obi then? I didn't realize you had come in. Okay. So there's documented evidence between the Romans. There is some conversation around genital piercings between the Mayans and also Indians. Okay. So if you go back historically, there is a lot of documented evidence around genital piercings. And not just Prince Albert, so there would be certain piercings like the Akradama piercing that goes across the shaft. So there is documented evidence given for India. Yes. Did you remember the question? Yes. Oldest tattoo artist that the country has had. Don't be child. Not the oldest man. I could be the oldest man. But yeah, so he's I think for those who do not know Samir, I'd just like to give a small introduction about it. He's learned from the pioneer of the tattooing industry for India, Dr. Koya, and he was one of his foremost students, and he's just grown in leaps and bounds. And I mean, for the ones who follow him, you know his work, you know how he teaches people, you know how he shares information, shares knowledge and stuff like that. And he's been doing a fabulous job, Sam.
Thank you, my friend. Thanks a lot for that beautiful introduction. So, for the next session, I would like to call upon a few gentlemen and very, very talented lady, our sister over here, Gangama. We would like to call, Swastika, sorry. And is it Gangama also the same? Aren't you also known as Gangama? Yes. You are, right? Yes. Wonderful. So, yeah. So what we're going to be talking about, today is, and I definitely we welcome questions. In fact, we as speakers who have done so many seminars or workshops, we always want people to ask us questions. That's why I was asking a lot of questions to Jason on behalf of people who don't want to ask questions. I probably might have asked some of the most stupidest questions, but these are the questions that we really shy away from asking. So similarly, I want you people or you guys to kindly feel free to ask us questions, because till the time you guys don't ask us questions, we don't know what are your apprehensions, we don't know what are your doubts, we won't know, what do you guys want to know from us, because there's so much that we can share as artists and experienced people who have seen, traveled around. There's so much that we can share that we always want an opportunity to share those. Alex Wanda, she's from World Tattoo Events. So Alex probably is one of the few people who has been around the world more than any of us has. He's seen some of the best and the biggest conventions in this, globally, and has so much that he can talk and share about conventions, about artists he has met, about different styles, and so much more. He can, in fact, one episode I can talk about when we were in Bangalore recently at the Inkville, about culture and style. There's so much that he can share and talk to us about. So that's my brother Tomoko. Next, I would like to call our very own Swastika, who's also one of the most talented ladies that we have in the tattooing community. She's all the way from Swastika.
I'm coming from Australia, but I'm Chennai born and I grew up in Kerala, Varanasi in Chennai. My style stems from what I learned growing up, which is Kula, Kulangal, Rangoli, even just going to temples with my family, seeing the folk art, the way the deities were portrayed. So yes, I feel lucky to be here and be able to speak about really speakers. So thanks.
He wears some of the most stunning shirts that I would want to steal from him. And he's probably one of the most talented artists that we've got. And he's also one of the sponsored artists for. So you should check his line of colors from Eternal. They are based on Brian's work, and that's Brian Sanchez for you.